How you guys doing, Wicked fans? Thanks for watching Wicked Warnings. This is a little tech tip here on these brand new GMCs like this. If you're trying to mount a Razor in the front, like that, I really like how they mount right up there next to the GMC. And this is a mount that you don't need to take the grill out to do. So what I do is, step one, remove that portion of the grill, get it set aside. Step two, prepare your razors with the 90-degree brackets that are included. You're going to want to prepare them like this. This is just a demo for fitment. We've got the vent going down, and we've got the brackets coming out the back like that. Okay, it's going to mount right in the grill, just like that. Vent going down, brackets coming right out the back, just like that, 90 degrees. We're going to come up here. We pop the grill loose. These 10mm bolts across the top here. You can bring the grill forward just a little bit like this, and it'll pop out here just a little bit of the plastic, but you just need a little bit of room. And what I use preferably is this tool right here. It's a 12-inch extension with a Phillips on it. And by going right down into here, I'll try and turn a flash on. See those 90-degree brackets way down in there? Let me focus up. All right, there we go. See the 90-degree brackets in the back of the Razor? See, my mistake here on the wiring is bringing the wiring up. Don't ever bring your wiring up. Always bring your wiring down, because you don't want water to wick down the wire. So I'm going to, of course, be rerouting that wire. But there you can see those are the brackets. You can access them by putting your bit way down there. And then you can see. That's pretty much how I do it. That'll allow you to mount them, tuck your wiring off. I bring my wiring down and around the back of the headlight. Again, bring it out of the back of the light and bring it down and kind of tuck it around the back, bring it back here somewhere like that. So that's the tech tip on getting the razors in the GMC grill like that. If you want to know how we're doing that Baja bar right there, that'll be a different video.